This may or may not be my pastry brush from my pastry video.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Another week, another Monday, and as soon as I started Glitch Monday, I start Monday on the right foot and there's nothing to glitch over. So let's see how it goes. I have decided, yes, Isaac? Yes, I'll make your porridge now. So I've decided today I am starting to potty train Finn. I've been dreading this day because he is not interested, but I promised myself when summer comes I'm going to, nappies are coming off and you know I can handle all the spills and stuff in the house because it's a warm day and he can be wearing very light clothing. Anyway, wish me luck. It's not going to be fun, but he is 2.5 now and I think he's old enough. He just needs to recognize that you know he can do it. So let's see how it goes. I wanted to do my workout this morning, but kids started waking up. I should have woken up at 6 and not 6:30. Okay, Finn claims he's finished in the bathroom, so let's see how this goes. I am rather skeptical. He has never done it by himself. So. Mission accomplished. He actually managed by himself. I gave him a book to read because I knew that would help him to just relax, take his mind off it. Do you need to go to the toilet, Finn?
Yeah.
You need the toilet? Okay, let's go. Let's get to the toilet. So exciting. Okay, so far the potty training is going very well. Hey, Fanny.
I'm finished.
Are you finished? Big boy. No mishaps so far. I'm actually really surprised. Alright, let's do a few educational activities. Green one? Yep. Orange one? Yep. Yellow? Let Finn do this one. Where's the blue one, Finn?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, just finished school with the kids and I'm gonna go finish up some cell phones from last week that I have to get done. And this afternoon I have a meeting. Wow, Ela, so strong. Do you think you can crawl? Oh, is it difficult? Oh, we're getting tired. Oh. Oh. No, you're fine. Okay, back on the tummy. Much better. Just had lunch and it started thundering and raining. Yay. It's been so hot, we really needed this. Come, Fins. Let's go to the toilet. This is working very well. I give him his book to read on the toilet and he makes himself comfortable and mission accomplished. I'm really surprised. We haven't had a single accident the whole day. Alright, I'm just popping over to Sarah next door. I want to discuss some logo branding for a business that they're starting and yeah. Isaac? I'm just going over to Sarah, okay? Just wait here for mommy.
Like this one and yeah, it looks right.
Awesome, I'm so glad because I was feeling this as well, you know, the more clean, clinical. Yeah. So does it also, what does it make you think of? That?
Yeah, it's like also I think it goes more with the ground up.
Yeah.
Like the slogan.
Phew, it's already 6:30 and still so warm. It's like a warm breeze just blowing. Just enjoying some boiled eggs with Isaac. The other two kids just fell asleep. They're all exhausted. I need to wake Finn up so I can bath them. Got my style frames done. That's pretty cool. My goodness, now it's storm wind is blowing. 10:30 and I'm ready for bed. I just finished editing the next video and I finished my style frames, so I'm so tired. It's so boiling hot. Just mosquitoes everywhere and moths flying into the house. Inan's gone back to the office to work. He has just a ton of things to do today, and I'm just gonna go to bed. Good night. For some reason I could get up super early this morning, 5:30 with Inan. So I'm just gonna sneak in a workout. And oh guys, just read the news this morning. The town across the mountains, well, the whole area across the mountains is again under fire, and there's been a strong wind all night. 7 people have died already. That's stressing me out. This happened last year. Oh, goodness me, I can actually smell the smoke. No, that hill you're seeing, there are mountains behind it, but you can't see them because of the smoke. This wind is insane. Goodness. Okay, off to the shops. I'm leaving the little kiddos behind.
We're gonna go drink juice.
Mommy will bring you juice, that's right. So you be good, guys.
Bye.
Ooh, I'm gonna get blown away. Ah! I don't have anything for you. Hey, sweetie.
Got some juices.
I got you juices, yes. Hello, Sherry. Is everything fine?
Yes, madam, it's fine.
Okay. Hey?
We got this hat on.
What? Hats on? Oh, what fun.
And then it's going to fly.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow, the power of the imagination.
Yeah.
What an amazing rocket.
Yeah.
Hello. How are you doing? Oh, I miss you, Bubbers. Hello. Hello. Must mommy feed you? Must mommy drop everything and feed you? Oh dear. In a Parmesan cheese sauce. I am addicted. It's so creamy and so cheesy. Hey, now I feel pretty excited because I finished all my design work for the week, and I am now going to be doing some artworks for the studio. So they're going to be quite big on these canvases. I think it's A1, 3 of them, and so I need to go set up my workstation. Alright, so I'm just going to prime the canvases first. Apparently that's the right thing to do, and apparently you put 3 layers on sometimes, so I'm just going to do it 3 layers. And then I can start painting.
Mine is first number paint. Hi.
Abigail's coming down now just to chill with me. She's sitting at home all bored. I'm like, come down, make me some tea, keep me company. Just waiting for the canvases to dry, and my amazing personal in-house chef is making me some cocoa. They're always put up very, like, so easy, just so racist thing. Oh no! Yeah, she was guilty of, well, it must have not quite. Actually, she hasn't eaten the whole day. Yeah, we picked up this little baby chick.
It's cold. What is
that?
Okay.
It's got a
Hot water bottle. Yeah. How am I going to take care of this little guy? I hope I don't fail you. Just making him a little bed. Oh, look at that! Did you bring the walking rings also?
A little bit too big.
No, the baby's here.
Maybe, yeah.
But
The
you can just
baby's
stop
in
pushing
there.
something.
Awesome. Thank you guys. Happy birthday for Rosa.
Thank you.
I got a little dilemma here on my hands.
Okay.
Oh,
No, they found him, so I said I'll take him in.
Is it a rock pigeon?
Is it?
Yeah.
But he has hardly eaten anything.
Can't you drink some more milk?
Yeah.
Let's open these mouth. Candy.
The next
Just
order
the
got
top
stuck in
of these
plastic.
things. Soft. What order? My brother Benjamin's coming to have lunch with us today, so I've got to plan lunch. Chicken is always the easiest. I think I'm gonna go with chicken. So potty training is going like potty training, I suppose. First day was perfect, and then second day I kept forgetting to ask him if he needed to go, so I was very hit and miss. So today I'm gonna be on top of it. Okay, I'm just going to feed this little birdie again. It's hiding in his little box. Yeah, it's a bit of a... It's like having a fourth baby. Hello. Decided we should call him the duck. That's what the kids call him. Okay, showered, some makeup, and I'm stressing about this bird. He didn't look too well before. So guys, I don't want to really show you the footage of the dead bird, so he died. Literally in the space of an hour. So, yeah. Doesn't feel good, guys. Feels bad. But what can I say? You understand yet? Isaac wants to know how the time works. So we got here 12. That's the 12. And here is the 1. Here is the 2, 3. This one goes up to the 12, and this one goes here to the 1. Then it's 1 o'clock, so it's almost 1. Then Daddy comes home. Okay?
1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock. That's right. All right. Today is the day that I start painting. I am not at all stressed out about this. Look at this big, pristine, white expanses. Okay, so the idea is this gets turned into this size. And I've totally done this before. Okay, enough sarcasm. I have never done this before. I'm quite nervous, and I'm gonna go put on some cool music now so I can relax.
And we both know this is a lost case, but it brings me down that we don't speak.
What, Fanny? Wet pants? No, friend.
It's a day, so never call when you're sober.
guy. Husband brings me hot chocolate. Okay, so I blocked out the first one. You probably can't see it, but it's done in charcoal, and then I've lightened it. Feels good. I feel like I got this now. So yeah, I'm totally just gonna be an artist from now on. Say goodbye to my channel. I'm just gonna paint. Bye guys. Bye. It was nice knowing you.
Front page.
Quick meeting.
On the front page, it also feels like I thought maybe drawing the office, like also having graphics of the office maybe in the background. Okay.
Break, peanut butter and ice cream. I've been working at these all day. I just started the blocking out now, so tomorrow I can actually just paint, which is the part I'm looking forward to. And now it's time for bed, kind of. Well, it's 9:30. I feel ready for bed. Morning. Just did my little bit of a dance workout, exercises and training. Gonna make Isaac some tea so he can get out of bed. Berries, fresh herbs and pawpaw. Nice and fresh. Alright, I've just been researching for my next video. So interesting. But you'll see when the video comes out. And now I need to make some lunch. Didn't really plan properly once again, so I'm just gonna do butternut soup because it's quick, and maybe we can have chicken salad just to balance it out. I shall now commence the most exciting part, the painting.
My paint is dry.
First bit of paint is on. Doesn't look like much, but it's the beginning.
I'm just painting.
Isaac's painting. Look at those amazing colors. Painting's going well, but this toilet is driving me nuts. It just makes this horrendous noise, and then I have to come and tap it to make it stop. Can't take this anymore. And Finn is sick in bed. A little bit worried about him. Just gonna go read him a story. Oh, my little puppy. Let me read you a story. Mother, Sophie and Gussie's stories. I can see old things and new things and do exciting things. Morning guys. Last night, I'm not sure what happened. I just got super depressed and I went to bed. I don't know why. So here I am, I feel normal again, and I'm going to just do a quick workout, and I'm going to record another video for my channel. so I'm going to do that this morning, and then this afternoon is a big birthday party for one of the older ladies here in the town, so we're going to her birthday thing, and I need to make a whole lot of cakes for a baby shower tomorrow.
Is this a vlog or a to-do list?
But okay, getting a bit distracted here, but I'm just thinking what I'm gonna make for the cakes this afternoon, because I don't have a clear idea of how the cakes are gonna look, and they kind of need to look quite pretty for the baby shower. So I'm thinking I'll do lemon curds. I'm just checking out a cool recipe and I write it down.
And beat after each addition. You want to add your eggs one at a time.
Okay, that was a 15-minute workout. Nothing much, but I want to try to strengthen my core, so I think a little bit every day is going to do the trick. Hey sweetie, are you ready to start lifting weights? Then a bit of school with the kids and record my next video. I'm going to be talking about feminism and Christianity. Yeah, I was doing a lot of research yesterday, and it's obviously a huge topic and very controversial, but I want to touch on a few points which I think are really relevant and worth taking into consideration. Okay, so I'm only halfway through getting dressed, and then I'm getting all these ideas for the video on feminism, so I'm just going to write them down because my head is like a sieve. Stuff goes in and comes out, and then I'll be so upset with myself. You're gonna go sleeping. Are you gonna go sleep? Sleep is for babies, not for big boys like you. Whoa, that's a good bed. Okay, we all had lunch, and kids are full of energy. I'm gonna make some coffee. This is what the kitchen looks like when I have finished with it. Yes, destruction. I spent all my time writing the script for my feminism video. I am getting so many ideas, and the more I research, the more in depth I get drawn into it, and I just need to take a step back and get back to that script again, pare it down so that this doesn't end up being an hour-long discussion. You want tea? Okay, sweetie, what do you say?
Please.
That's better. After this, just making up some coffee. And then I need to make cakes, and like 50 cupcakes. No kidding. There are going to be so many people at the baby shower.
A cake.
A cake. Right, sweetie. Okay, let's get baking.
So I don't know, I'll study one.
Okay, cakes are in the oven. Waiting for them to finish, and then I can bake the cupcakes. Alright. We're not going to the party anymore because Finn is very sick, and I don't think it would be fair on him to drag him out. He's just sleeping and sleeping, so I think he's got a molar coming. He's got this big lump on the back of his gums, so probably a tooth. Who's crying? Isaac, what now? If mommy tells you not to scream, you mustn't scream. Don't cry, okay? Come here. There we go. Okay, let's go make some giraffes.
I also want some.
We got our plastic icing, our colors,
And green.
and I'm gonna make a giraffe
Giraffe.
to go on top of the cake.
I want Lala. Aisha and Lala.
Here's the giraffe's head coming on. Gonna let him dry while I speak to this grumpy guy. He's calling for something. What do you want? Okay, Okay, this little guy is done. Just letting him dry. And I'm gonna make a whole bunch of pink ribbons. This guy's been staring at me for the past half an hour. Making 36 ribbons. All ready for tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll just be icing. Okay, now I just want to go to bed. And is probably not gonna go to bed now. He's probably playing games.
I'm dead. Hello, Ams. Hello. What is it?
So...
Ah, got me. So what?
So, hello.
Hello.
Bye.
Kill them!
Go to bed alone then.
Excuses. What else?
Yeah, fine. I'll go to bed by myself. Okay. We are running late. Just doing a nude makeup. I feel like, you know, it's a baby shower and you don't want to like overdo it. I can hardly see it on the camera. And my trusty wrap dress, shoesies, outfit for the day, practical, great for breastfeeding. Okay, let's get on our way. You know, I was just buying some rolls first at the mini mark. And I'm late because I'm supposed to ice the cake when I get there, and I'm pretty sure there are people already there. But what can you do? Ready? Are we ready, guys? Gotta ice the cake. So where are you being baptized?
What? Excuse me?
How rude. Maybe can you do the cupcakes? I want a bit of icing on each cupcake. It's like very basic, just a spoon of...
How do we use the cupcakes?
Stand while we sing.
Yeah. It was a surprise as well. I haven't been able to, but I released the eyes.
So intact. It's so cute. I'm shaking it, I'm breaking. Here we go.
Yeah, I should like it. Yeah. So I have a ribbon or something we can push. Maybe a pink ribbon.
So cute. I love your puffy sleeves. I like your dummy. There you go, yeah, look at these presents. Oh my word, it's an ocean. The biggest present is from Hannah.
Just say what else is there. The laundry basket, the stuff in there.
Wow.
And the mat and the mat, the grey mat. This thing. The keys.
Oh. Oh, is that from Superfluous? Yes. Oh my word.
For the smarter cake.
Yes. Hey Isaac, did you have enough to eat?
No.
Hello guys. Fun and friends, cutie pies. Earlier this week, Joshua decided to give his life to the Lord, so he decided to do it after the baby shower, so we're all here at the river. Okay, we are going to a baptism. But there's going to be a lift opportunity. Got to go down to the river, so it's a bit of a wild ride. The man himself. Okay, you're not ready, Josh.
Maybe not carrying a backpack.
I need to
Is he talking?
Tomorrow. See you next week.
That's safe. We're just gonna pack up. No one's even had cake, but I think we're all too full. I want to go for a swim this afternoon. It's raining carrots. Okay, I'm going out for a swim, guys. Love you, enjoy. Thank you for setting me free, husband. Bye, love you. Okay, let's go swim. I don't often get time off like this to just go without the kids. It's so hot today. What kind of throw is that? Check out that fire. It's coming close.
Bye guys. Cheers.
At least there's no wind.
Yeah.
Nice and cool. Cool, curl. Our whole valley is full of smoke this morning. Oh my goodness. Can't see the town. This is smoke, guys, not mist. We hope that it doesn't come too close to our town, but for now we're safe, and we're very sorry for people who have lost their homes, and we hope that it can be controlled and that the wind doesn't get too strong. There you go, guys. That's another week with Emily. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you enjoy these videos and these vlogs, subscribe and you'll be notified every Monday when I upload. I also upload on Wednesdays and Fridays. If you enjoy, remember, subscribe and like this video. Bye.